This video is going to do a walkthrough on how to use our Real Estate Photographer Pro marketing kit to create social media posts. We're going to do a video slideshow post in this example. So you're going to go over to your marketing kit. Inside your marketing kit, you have your website, branded and unbranded. In this example, I'm going to go past, you've got the banners here. You can download these static pre-made banners, and we have video slideshows that when they're loaded into your Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, they will autoplay. So these are pre-made slideshows that you can go in and download, or you can sign into your YouTube and send them right out to your YouTube, or you can download them, post it on your YouTube, Facebook, or all 3 or 4 platforms. Doesn't matter. So in this example, I've downloaded the branded video slideshow. Then I've gone over to Facebook. I've uploaded it to Facebook. I've put a link into the post in Facebook back over to the website. So if you're looking for your website URL, it's right here. Slide down here and go to your website URL. This is the branded. This is the unbranded URL. In this example, I've got the branded URL here, Libby's number, link, and then just a brief description of where the property is at, and then I post that. So, and then here's what the post looks like. Let me refresh my browser here. All right. And see how that video auto plays. So when someone's scrolling through their Facebook, they're going to see the photos, and then the agent's information in this example is at the end. Now that can be changed or moved around, and then it would be in the post too. I edited the post, but I don't think I saved it. Let me put that back in there. Libby, and let's grab her URL right here. Go right there. Put it back in. And let's put the address here so it shows up first. Oops. I want that there. And let's go ahead and move the agent's name real quick. Copy, paste, comma, just put that in there, clean it up a little bit, take that out. There, I'd done that a while ago, but I forgot to save it. So now I save that, update the post, and you've got a social media video slideshow posted that's pre-made for you. It's in the marketing kit. It's simple. Awesome. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.